Vacant and derelict land is land that's been used before. Vacant land may not cause any great problems, but derelict land in particular has some form of problem such as contamination or leftover buildings. The Scottish Land Commission asked Dryden to look at vacant and derelict land across Scotland. The purpose of that is to understand the scale of the problem and some of the potential solutions. We're in Wishaw in North Lanarkshire because North Lanarkshire has one of the biggest challenges with vacant and derelict land. It's a legacy of heavy industry. Scotland has around 3,500 vacant and derelict sites. That's about 30,000 acres or 15,000 football pitches. And it's not simply the leftover industry, the shipyards, the steelmakers and so on. It's actually small sites around the country and in communities. The findings of the report will help the Scottish Land Commission to understand this challenge not only at a site-by-site level, but nationally across Scotland and devise appropriate solutions.
North Lanarkshire has quite an industrial heritage, and over the past, with the demise of that heritage, we have ended up with quite a lot of unused vacant and derelict land sites. The Wishaw Hill Wood BMX pump track was originally a vacant and derelict land site for the last 15 to 20 years. Working with the local community, we identified an opportunity for site improvement. Through Scottish Government's Vacant and Derelict Land Fund, we secured funding to take forward the BMX pump track. The community has had real benefit from what was a site that couldn't be used by anybody, has now become a real community asset where local children and young people are down almost every day, out on their bikes, getting real social health benefit from this facility.
The Vacant and Derelict Land Taskforce was established to bring a broad church of people together to face into what is a very significant challenge for Scotland. The Taskforce is made up of many partners, but the main ones are the Land Commission, SEPA. I've been giving it personal support with Scottish Enterprise. The priority areas for the Taskforce are really four things I want us to concentrate on. One is creating our data in a consistent and clear way where people can access it. The second thing is to prioritise where we think we can make the biggest impact soonest. The third thing is that as we make those differences, we demonstrate good behaviour, we learn lessons and we share those lessons. And the final thing, the really important final thing, is we stop this land register getting bigger with more disused sites. We find a way to prevent this problem becoming bigger, and we make it therefore much more easy to manage going forward.